What is this?
I need to get up here and look at my map.
Yeah, you do, buddy.
Oh. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, no. I think we got a crossing, bro.
We get across the lake. Yeah, that's the lake right there.
Oh. It's gotta be solid bottom, right?
I don't know, we'll find out when I go across it, probably.
So, I mean, we can go up and around if we want, but if we want to stay close to the lake, yeah, here's where we would turn right. What are you looking at me for?
Are we crossing? What are we doing?
How's it look?
It doesn't look super deep. Could cheese it and go. It's super shallow right there. There's like a little rock dam they built right there. We could probably ride across that and not even get super wet. Alright, well, I guess I'll send the DR in first, right? Is this how we go? I'm gonna try to ride on this rock dam.
Oh, God. Yeah, so I think if we stay on the rock dam, we're good.
Yeah.
From right here, anyway. Buddy, I gotta get it on video, bud. Oh, my ABS is...
Oh! Oh! Whoa!
Pull deep there!
Yeah, pull deep! Yeah. Alright. Now my feet are really... And my bike is a steaming, and I think my water bottle in my backpack popped. It did. That sucks. Yeah, so you might want to just...
Doesn't look too deep right here. It just looks silty.
Yeah. I don't know. I think I would do the rock dam. Just for the off case that you decide you want to meet the ground. I don't really feel like picking a 701 up out of the water today.
No.
What? But you might want to get some RPMs going though with the silt.
I like the idea of the rock dam. So if I fall over, at least it's it's shallow.
Yeah, you can get it up real quick, and you're not swimming to pick it up.
Yeah. You think, Mike D?
You're right. Probably just, I wouldn't try to float your feet like I did. I'd just stay on the foot pegs, because I tried that and I started losing bike. Beautiful.
Look at that, buddy. Like you were born to do it.
Every day. Alright, can I deal with this popped water bottle in my bag really quick?
Yeah. Sure, buddy. Deal with your bag, whatever you need.
I'll just go be riding back and forth through the creek. Oh, it's not popped. There's just water in there on my bag. Cool. Oh,
Your bag got wet.
You just drowned your bag in the creek just now. Yeah, I did.
Crap, was that the right way?
Oh, God. I swear to God.
I think that was the right way.
You're gonna lose your map for this. Like me, we're giving them a map to Mike.
You're back to the paper map if that's the case.
Yeah, we're good.
The fanciest Garmin still gets us lost.
Oh!
Or just the urge. However, Mr. Suspension back there might be able to hit that. Never mind.
Mr. Suspension.
You're Mr. Suspension. You have the best suspension on all three of our bikes.
Yeah, right. Mike's got the
Yeah,
best.
you do.
No, I don't.
Travel, you can actually jump stuff.
Mike has the same bike as me, but with the better suspension.
Oh, well, Mike can jump it.
Mike can jump it.
I did, you guys just didn't see it.
Well, you got the GoPro going, right?
Yeah. We'll play back
So
later.
we'll see it later on YouTube. I'm just glad you finally upgraded GoPro so I can watch your videos.
Oh my god.
That's not a good sign.
No, it ain't. Oh my god.
Bro, is that a suitcase?
Dang. Well.
I mean, you guys got way more ground clearance than that F-150 had. He's out here all the time, so he knew to go to the left. Else he was drunk.
Yeah.
This is this a big stick situation?
Oh, it's a big situation.
Oh, it's a situation that's going to require a big stick and a couple big apples. Just wondering if there's a way we can, like, go around to the left side of that truck. There's a chance my bike's...
But why is there a suitcase?
The suitcase freaks me out a little bit.
No, I wouldn't even if he was going around it.
No?
No.
This is pretty... What are you expecting? Probably.
He was probably going across it. His fuel injector stuck open, so that's why
I mean, this is a county road. Do you think he would mind if we used his tailgate as a bridge right here?
Well, I don't think he cares about much. Put the tailgate next to the suitcase. And what else you got in there?
Cinder block. There's a stuffed animal toy. Dude, it's... I wonder if one of those, I wonder if that, like, that right back there that we passed, I wonder if it bypasses all this somehow.
Think smarter, not harder.
I mean, had I been in that truck, I would have went to the right. But why didn't you go to the right?
I made this same mistake in the Jeep once.
Yeah.
At Pratt Overlook. Yes. The main watery section was on the right, so I tried the other side, and I got stuck. This is probably a pretty firm bottom, honestly.
I think so. Those rocks sound like they're hitting hard bottom. That wasn't hard bottom.
It was hard bottom. It's probably hard bottom. It's probably just deep. Normally all these county roads have a solid base.
I just don't want to find out if this is the one that doesn't. Yeah. Mr. Waterproof Boots testing for us.
If you made it that far, I might be able to walk it across.
Why did homeboy go that way?
Look at that root, though.
What root?
Is that a rock?
Rock.
Oh, yeah. So, Mike, you've got the boots on, so you have to walk all three of our bikes across.
Okay, let's go. You guys do that while I ride out.
All right, well. Shouldn't have parked in the sun, bro. My seat's hot now. Elmer Gerd, they took her gerbs.
Elmer Gerd, gerbs.
Oh, I feel really dumb now.
Oh, no, I mean, just look at the bright side. Had we gone plowing through that, it'd probably been like underwater. It's not dumb, especially when you're on bikes.
And see a F-150 over in the side.
I did that on the kick. 65, plowed into a water hole, went over the bars. Terrible. Never again.
Lead the way, May. Gotta get footage of somebody.
I gotta get footage of this beautiful DR.
Footage of your big D.
Footage of, yeah, my big D. Oh my god, where are we going, bro?
Looks like we want to stay to the right, buddy.
Okay.
Dude, this was the kind of riding I was like absolutely hoping for. This is like dual sport heaven, bro.
Oh god, into the big rut. Big rocks. Yeah. You beat that on the top there, holy cow. Oh. Oh.
Mike took the good line.
Yeah.
My shield came down. I couldn't see.
Oh no!
Oh,
Looks pretty greasy.
Rocks in here. This is premier Jeep in here.
Oh, this would be great in a Jeep. AC blaring, windows down, blasting the tunes, talking on Cardo headsets. Jagged rocks.
Jagged boulders.
Looks pretty well traveled, and it's a Saturday in July, but we haven't passed a single person.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh my.
Keep feeding. There's a C-clamp down there. I want to pick it up.
Oh my god, dude. all the way up here. This tire sucks.
How's that look up there?
Oh, it's fine. It just, I slid into a bad line coming up.
I picked a bad line coming up.
Oh, okay.
Grab
So
that. Huh?
You guys both bad lines, so I'm supposed to not follow either one.
Don't follow the one I took, dude. It took me right into a cliff.
Hey, you follow me, but keep your finger on the clutch, that's for sure.
Uh-oh.
Probably. It's just real hard pack and greasy.
I'll be down.
Oh, shoot.
Whoa.
You okay?
How did I do that? Yeah, good.
I'm
I hit
coming.
that stupid rock. I'm alright.
I'm gonna get that C-clamp.
Oh.
Yeah, all about this C-clamp. Out of all this damn thing he cares about.
That free C-clamp, bro.
I think I should have went to the right. That's nasty.
Now, if you were on AT right now, yeah, maybe the right. If you get in this rut, maybe you would have ran over my C-clamp though.
Went all the way up to Hamlin, not Hamlin, but East Lynn to get a C-clamp out of the mud. I bet you that was holding somebody's drive shaft together.
Probably. Dude, I got sideways and went right. If you could stay up on this ledge, that'd be sweet.
Yeah, if you had a fresh Trackmaster maybe.
Yeah.
My tire is garbage, dude.
Bro, I hit this wall. I went like right into this wall.
I rode up here and what's that? Yeah, I think it's best bet just to come up.
Yeah, stay on the right. Just funnel your way into this big rut and just hold her wide side, buddy. Oh my God, he's carrying speed. He's going way faster than we were. Oh, he's gonna slip off. Oh, he's gonna slip off. Oh, he's gonna slip off. Shift down, give it gas. Oh my God.
I got street tread 9,000 on this thing. Look at it.
Oh my God, you're bald.
I am bald. I don't have any tread.
Good thing is you don't have enough horsepower for it to matter.
Oh yeah.